Good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon to you. Good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon to you. Yes, my dear, good afternoon and namaste. Welcome to your online class. So, my dear, before starting our class, we will do prayer. What we will do? We will do prayer. So my dear lovely kids, all of you stand up. Yes, stand up all of you. Very good. Now join your hands and close your eyes. Let's start Gayatri Mantra. Om Bhurbhuvasvaha Tassavitruvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayam. Again, Gayatri Mantra. Om Bhurbhuvasvaha Tassavitruvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayam. Again, Om Bhurbhuvasvaha Tassavitruvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayam. Open your eyes, put your hands down. Yes. So, which class is this? This is your English class. And who I am? I am your English teacher. Who I am? I am your English teacher. And my name is Jyoti Panjri. My name is Jyoti Panjri. So, my dears, let us start our class. But before that, tell me, what is your school name? Who will tell me what is your school name? Yes, who will tell? Yes, Rayan, tell me. Bharuddin, yes, tell me, who will tell? What is your school name? Yes, tell. The name of my school is Gokul Das Public School. Again, the name of my school is Gokul Das Public School. Very good. Very good. Clap for yourself, my dear. Very good. Now, look here. Before starting our class, what we do? We have some fun. What we do? We do some fun. So, I have taught you butterfly clap. So, let us start butterfly clap. One hand here, one hand here. Cross your hand, then cross your thumb. Fly butterfly like this. Yes, fly butterfly like this. Very good. Now clap. 1, 2, 3. How many times you will clap? 1, 2, 3. Very good. Again, both the hands put cross, then cross your thumb. Fly, fly butterfly. Very good. Very good. Now clap. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Very good, my dears. You are doing great job. So now, another clap. Which clap is that? Do you know? Chapati clap. Which clap? Chapati clap. Your mama make chapati for you? Yes. So we will do chapati clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How will chapati clap? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You also do with me and say the number also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Did you enjoy? Right. So all of you now Sit down, fold your hands, and today we will do some exercise. Not that exercise, not this type of exercise. We will do exercise related to a subject. So let us start. What we will do? We will start the exercise. So all of you, my dears, look here. Yes, look at me. Yes. We have learned, do you know we have learned how old are you? How old are you? So, look here. Do you know what is this? Do you know what is this? Yes, this is a cake. This is a cake and candle is there on the cake. Yes, this is another cake. Count the candles. How many candles are there? You count it. Yes, my dear. Count the candles. How many candles are there in the cake? Yes. All of you count. Look here. How old are you? That means आप कितने साल के हो? How old are you? So you count the candle. How many candle is there in one cake? 1, 2, 3. Another cake. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another cake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 candles in one cake. 4 candles in one cake. And 5 candles in another cake. So you have to identify that how old are you? If you are 3 years old, you will circle on the 3 years 3 candles cake. You will circle on the cake which have 3 candles. If you are 4 years old, so you will circle the cake which have 4 candles. Which have 4 candles. If you are 5 years old, so you will circle the cake which have 5 candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how old are you? I am 3 years old. If you are 3 years old, you will circle on this cake. If you are 4 years old, you will circle on this cake. So you will circle on this cake. Yes, I am 4 years old. What you will say? I am 4 years old. This cake has 4 candles. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I am 4 years old. Understand how to do this? Yes. Like this you have to do. Right? Now, after that, next. After this, next. Yes, next. Now next is identify and circle. Identify and circle the picture. Identify and circle the picture which begin with letter T. Which letter is this? T. We have learned T. In our previous video we have learned the introduction of letter T. Very good. So here some pictures are made. Here some pictures are there. You have to identify the picture and you have to circle the picture which start from letter T. Which start from letter T. Which start from letter T. Right? Okay, do you remember the things which start from letter T? Do you remember? Think what we have learned which start from letter T. Yes, think all of you. Yes, think all of you. The things which start from letter T. Think. Yes, think my dear. Which are the pictures which start from letter T? Right? Think all of you. We have learned from letter T. Number 10. From letter T, train. From letter T, tiger. From letter T, yes, tell me. Do you remember the things which start from letter T? Yes, table. Yes, another things which start from letter T. Yes, tell me. Which are the things which start from letter T? Tiger, train, table, teacher. Number 10. And anything else? Do you remember? We start from letter T. Truck. Yes, there are so many things which start from letter T. So what we have to do? We have some pictures. We have to identify the picture which start from letter T. And we have to circle the picture. What we have to do? We have to circle the picture. Right? So, let us start. Let us start the things. Look here. Look here, all of you. What is this? This is tree. So tree. This picture starts with letter T. T for tree. Yes. So what we will do? We will circle the tree. Look here. We will circle the tree. T for tree. T for tree. Now what is this? This is ball. So it start from letter T. Ball. Start from letter T. No. So we will circle it. No. We will not do circle. We will not put any circle. Now look at the next picture. Which picture is this? This is a picture of train. This is a picture of train. So, T for train. Yes, T for train. So, what we will do? We will circle the train. Look here. We will circle the train. Right? T for tree. T for that picture. Parents, if you want to take a screenshot, you can take the screenshot. Yes, you can take the screenshot. Done? Right. Now, let's go to another size. So, my dear kids, are you enjoying? Are you enjoying the classes? Okay. So, my dears, you have remembered the rhymes which we have learned. Who will say the rhyme? Which rhymes are there? Early to bed, rain, and want to buckle my shoe. We will do afterwards. First, we will do some more exercise. Look here, all of you. Look here. Circle the. Yes, my dear. So all of you, look here, circle the odd letter. What is this? Circle the odd letter. Look here, look here. So, identify the. We have learned this letter T. So, what you have to do? The letter which is different. The letter which is different, we have to circle it. What we have to do? We have to circle that letter. Right? Look here. Which letter is this? T. Which letter is this? T. Which letter is this? T. So look here. This is letter T. Which letter is this? L. Which letter is this? L. Which letter is this? L. This all letters are same, but this letter is different. So what we will do? We will circle this odd letter. Right? All letters, all letters are same, but this letter is different. So what we will do? We will circle this odd letter. Now look here, which letter is this? L. Which letter is this? T. Which letter is this? T. Which letter is this? T. So which letter is odd? These letters are same, but this letter is different. So this letter is odd. What we will do? We will circle the letter L. What we will do? We will circle the letter L. Understand what we have to do? We have to circle the odd letter. We have to circle the odd letter. All letters are, all letters are same, but this letter is different. This letters are same, but this letter is different. So what we have to do? We have to circle the odd letter. What we have to do? We have to circle the odd letter. So my dears, now I am winding up my class. Look after yourself, your family, and please keep on practicing the work which we are learning in the class. So bye, have a nice day. Miss you all.